to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So today I'm doing another unboxing video. I got this special package that I'm gonna unbox here and now for you guys to see. She's my lovely princess. Okay, I haven't seen her yet, but I do love her. Let's just get into it. I love these unboxing videos, okay guys. I love me these unboxing videos, and Lord knows, okay, cost me a lot of money. It cost me a lot of money, but okay, I do love these unboxing videos. They're becoming an addiction. I don't know why. I just don't know, but yeah. So this is her, okay guys, and can you guys guess what it is? I just want you guys to guess. Okay, I know the title might tell you what it is, but okay, okay, so yeah, so here she is. She is a beauty. Oh my goodness, guys, the packaging just gets me. Like, isn't this gorgeous? And the ribbon, oh, I live for a beautiful ribbon. Like, I love floral stuff. I love ribbons. I just like things like that, like this. So this ribbon just gets me all the time. Like, she is gorgeous. Prada Milano. Okay, let's just go ahead and take this off and let's see what she's saying. This is a bit too, how to tie it. Whoever tied this thing, they tied it way too tight, but not complaining. She's off. Instructions. Okay, instructions and all the details and whatever nuts. That's all we're looking for. Now here she is. Like, how gorgeous is this, guys? It is really cute. Like, I just love the fact that, wow, this is the Prada Re-Edition 2000 bag. I love me a cute small bag. I'm obsessed with, you know, little cute bags, like small bags. Like, I love me a cute small bag, okay? So this is just key holder and Prada, and let's slide it through and see what's inside of it. Okay, just that. I'm gonna get this out. Okay, so it's just a card. And this is her. I don't know what will fit in here, but here is the card. This is Prada. So I have been eyeing this bag since last year. I came close to buying it several times, but for some reason, like, I just didn't buy it. Each time I came close to buying it, I was just like, oh, you know what, leave it. Then I will buy something else. But this year again, I saw it and I'm like, if I really like it that much, why not get it? Since summer's coming up and, you know, a girl needs to look good in the summer, I decided to get this one. This is more like a casual bag, okay? This is not dressy. This is a casual type of bag. So this will be like a day type of vibe. If you want something more dressy, this is definitely not it. This is more cash and laid back. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I love the size of her. Just love how small she is. And the key holder's cute. So yeah, there you have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like, thumbs up, and also comment down below what your thoughts are on this bag. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, cheers over, guys.